Lifespan is getting a name change to Brown University Health, reflecting an advanced affiliation.
Yeah, a lot of money changing hands here. The deal includes millions in investments from Brown University. NBC 10's Liz Bateson has an in-depth look.
The name change will become official later this year. Leaders say it's not a merger. Brown and Lifespan will remain separate. What it really comes down to is money. Leaders claim this allows the network to strengthen healthcare in the Ocean State. New look and a new name. Lifespan announces it's rebranding to Brown University Health.
This change is really exciting and important, but it's one step that we have to become a thriving healthcare system.
The deal is part of a major investment agreement with Brown. The university will invest $150 million into Lifespan over the next 7 years, starting in July. After that, Lifespan will invest $15 million annually to the Warren Alpert Medical School.
I do view the initial $150 million as an investment in the future of the strength of this healthcare system. The funds flow back is actually what normally happens in academic health systems that have this kind of relationship.
Lifespan owns and operates 5 hospitals in Rhode Island. So what does this mean for those employees?
Will this lead to layoffs or job reductions?
No. Part of this is how do we grow? How do we grow our economy? How do we create more jobs in this great state?
Lifespan tried to merge with Care New England in 2022, but Rhode Island Attorney General Peter Nerona rejected that proposal.
The reality is that Brown is a fine medical school. It's a fine academic medical school. Brings in a lot of research dollars, has the capacity to bring in more. A stronger affiliation with Lifespan will move all of that forward.
Brown University President Christina Paxson says the school is not in talks to collaborate with any other healthcare systems in the state.
We have very strong relationships with Care New England as well as the VA. We're not in any discussions with any other academic partners.
The CEO of Lifespan says they're looking to scoop up some of Steward Healthcare's hospitals in Massachusetts, but he had no updates on that today. In Providence, Liz Bateson, NBC 10 News.